In this video, I will show you how to create and use custom stickers from your photos on iPhone. Making stickers on your iPhone is a fun and easy way to personalize your messages. You can use stickers to add personality to your conversations or to make your messages more eye-catching. First, open Photos app on your iPhone. Now find the photo that you want to turn into a sticker. Now press and hold on the part of the photo that you want to use. If the part of the photo that you want is highlighted, tap Add Sticker. But in case the part of the photo is not getting highlighted, then try pressing and holding on the different spots until it is. The sticker will be added to your custom sticker collection. Now to use this sticker, close Photos app and open Messages app. Start a new message or find a message that you have with someone. Tap the plus sign to the left of the message bar. From here, select Stickers. Tap Custom Sticker option. Now press and hold on the sticker that you want to use. Just drag the sticker over to your message and release it. The sticker will be placed on the message where you dropped it. To send just the sticker as a message, press on it once, and the sticker will be added to the message bar. Tap on arrow to send a message, and the other person will receive the sticker as the plain message. Now if you want to delete the sticker, head back into the menu where you found the sticker. Now press and hold on the sticker and release after a second. Just tap remove and the sticker will be removed from your sticker collection. So that is how you can create and use custom stickers on your iPhone. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.